ecology incarnate. Not just housing, but a new ecology. What the ideal future tower would dream of, over Pop's antidote, preserving green belts by stacking people skyward. Yet cracks appeared even in the dreaming. At 10 kilometers, the summit plunges into minus 50 degrees Celsius, eternal winter. Everest as a tower. Snowcaps year-round. Oxygen thins to hypoxia. Workers would need suits, not hard hats due to entering a zone, and no altitude sickness earthquakes? The structure's mass, steel equaling a small nation's output, could trigger its own tremors. And the name? A nod to hubris, perhaps a warning. As the Bible's towers scattered tongues, so did Japan's economy. The 1991 crash silenced the chorus of cranes. Bubble-era fever broke. Practicality prevailed. The Tower of Babel joined the X-seed in conceptual purgatory. Visions unbuilt. Echoes in anime and games. This project was intended to be a self-sustaining megastructure that'd topple every building on Earth. Primarily, would constructed from steel, which may be a bad idea now. The tower would feature thousands of floors, with residential areas, offices, industrial zones, research labs, and recreational spaces. The base would include underground facilities for parking and power generation, while upper levels were envisioned for solar energy collection and space exploration experiments. It'd accommodate 30 million in high-density living quarters, with amenities to support a fully top-down urban ecosystem. Then the downsides that render this building impossible. New materials it would need, climate as much as seeing clouds blanket Tokyo from afar. Looks nice. The clouds give condensation. Then you have ice that builds 10 centimeters an hour. Then the tower becomes a frozen popsicle, and being able to deal with lightning striking at every storm, with the entire structure becoming giant lightning rod. So no collapse. Nobody has to kiss their life goodbye near and inside. That's the flaws. The project didn't explain. Not even real prototypes, like the Sagrada Familia building by Antoni Gaudi, or any phased rollout, no feedback or input of people interested, zero zilch nada, just a myth. If a paper-vision, if Japan is still going strong, gets back on its feet like it did years before, maybe with other techs to develop to make things happen,